Hello, today I'm going to show you where to locate to find your OBD2 port. Open the glove compartment on your Dacia Duster and there you're going to find the OBD2 slot. So let's do and take our OBD2 scanner, for example. Push the OBD2 plug into position, switch the ignition on, and then you are able to get into the computer system of your Dacia Duster, also Renault Duster. It is a nice and cheap car. So let's read some failure codes. If you're in, you can push enter and then you can have a look to the current DTCs or failure codes. You can have a look to the pending failure codes as well. And if you find some failure codes, you are able to remove that kind of failure codes. For this, you are going to push on remove failure codes and then push enter, of course. Then, after you repaired your failure before, you are going to delete the failure codes and the light at the cockpit will be off immediately. Easy going. Here you can see in some the OBD2 scanners are different options where you're going to use with your Dacia Duster. If you finished your work, unplug the plug of the OBD2 scanner and then job's done. Then you can switch to off and easy going. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback and see you next time on my channel. Soon.